Greenville police say they're seeing a reduction in violent and property crimes across the city, but there is one category where numbers are up: homicides.
9 Your Side's Ariana Kraft is live in Greenville. Ariana, what are Greenville police saying about this increase?
Shayla, Chief Mark Holtzman says his officers are working to reduce gun violence, but he says there are other factors involved in some of the city's murders and other violent deaths.
What's really hard to prevent sometimes are the domestic-related issues.
On average, Greenville sees about 7 or 8 homicides a year.
We've handled 10 homicide investigations this year.
In 2020, many of these cases are tied to domestic violence.
I can't stress enough mental health services in our community. We're seeing that come up, and we're leaning on them hard to help us out, and they're stepping up to the plate.
Greenville police have a new strategy for these crimes, using what's called a co-responder model. Trillium and mobile crisis teams will head to crime scenes with officers.
For the past few years, especially, law enforcement has been put in a role where they are basically called out for any and every situation, and it is taxing their resources.
The mobile crisis team is a new kind of police backup, handling aspects of situations most officers can't.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, a qualified mental health professional will come to your location at no charge to you and assist you with whatever crisis you're going through.
Chief Holtzman says the pandemic is making that kind of backup more valuable.
This year has really been an unprecedented year. How many of these cases are going to be related in one way or another to the national pandemic of COVID, we may never know. But I know that Greenville is not immune to that.
Police and counselors hope this kind of help prevents tragedies.
If we could get involved much earlier, it would be so much more beneficial, and we could actually get in front of the curve of a lot of the situations that people are facing.
Chief Holtzman says his officers are seeing another problem factor: guns being stolen out of vehicles people leave unlocked. He says that can be prevented if people keep their cars locked and guns someplace safe. Live in Greenville, Ariana Kraft, 9 on your side.